interesting move, Jessica. But you'll have to do better than that if you want to beat me in today's tournament.
Okay. Thank you, Danny. Do you mind?
Oh, I'm sorry, Hector. Did I distract you?
Yes, I'm trying to concentrate.
Hector, you're about to get clobbered by your little sister in this game. How does that feel?
That feels fine, Danny, because I'm helping her warm up so she can clobber you later today in the tournament. Okay? Okay, Jess, make your move.
I'm so gonna take your queen with my knight.
Why did you just reveal your move? You totally just gave it away.
I didn't mean to let you know that. I just came out when I hiccuped.
You hiccuped and then you revealed your move, did you?
Yeah.
Oh, what a fascinating development. Now, if you'll excuse me.
Whoa, what's this?
It's one of Danny Rebus's rebuses. Get, and then, what's that?
It's an old-time well, you know, like with water in it.
Oh, of course. So, get, well, soon.
So then a rope minus K?
No, it's not a rope. It's a knot minus the K. So get well soon, not. What's that all about?
It doesn't matter. It's Danny being Danny. Come on, it's your move.
Oh, look at the head on that lady. She looks like a lamb. Well, I never. Oh, no, a very beautiful lamp that anyone will be happy to have in their living room. I'm so sorry.
What are you doing?
I don't know. Every time I hiccup, I reveal my private thoughts. What's happening to me? Hey, you guys! Keep going. Almost done. 15 more seconds. This is a great remedy for the hiccups.
Come on. Can this really get rid of the hiccups?
That's what I use to get rid of them. Works like magic. Of course, I've never had the kind of hiccups that made me reveal my private thoughts. And stop. That's a minute. Hey, Lisa, I think your remedy worked. Told ya. Works every time. Lisa's remedies are so useless. Sorry, just trying to help. I'm sorry. I never meant to say that. Oh, you know, I wouldn't want all my private thoughts revealed here. I'm a wreck. The tournament starts in 3 hours. What am I gonna do?
Is there a doctor in the house? I am not a doctor. I know that you're not a doctor, Mr. Bamboo Snirklet. I need a doctor. Is there a doctor in the house? I am still not a doctor.
Oh, really? I thought in the last 5 seconds you went to medical school, became a doctor, and came back.
Wow, that was kind of mean, sis.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Van Voosnicklet.
Even though I'm not a doctor, I can still try to make a diagnosis.
You mean you could tell me what's wrong with me?
Yes.
Okay, what's your diagnosis?
My diagnosis is that you have the hiccups.
Of course I have the hiccups. Why don't you tell me something I don't know? Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Van Voosnicklet. I just don't know why I get so cranky.
It's because you have the Skelekian hiccups.
Skelekian hiccups?
When you hiccup, do you reveal what you're thinking?
Yes.
That's very common on my planet. You have the Skelekian hiccups.
So how do we get rid of them?
You have to see a doctor.
Well, do you have the name of a good Skelekian doctor?
Yes.
What's the name?
Dr. Penko Plurpy Guzi Bendanansky.
Where's his office?
Actually, he works out of a garden.
Oh, for crying out loud. I need a doctor, not a gardener. I'm so sorry again. I just don't know.
I totally understand. Skelekian doctors don't work in offices, they work in gardens.
Gardens?
Yes, because most Skelekian medicine is herbal.
Herbal. Oh, so you mean most Skelekian medicine is made out of plants?
Yeah, we call them herbal remedies. Sometimes we take the leaves, we put them in hot water, and we make herbal tea.
Oh, I love tea. So I have to drink some tea?
Well, with the hiccup remedy, you actually eat the leaves.
And how do they taste?
Well, they're not bad.
Okay, so how do we find the doctor?
East 6th Street.
Okay, come on, Jess, I'll take you. Thank you.
Sure.
Something really weird just happened. I saw Danny Rebus outside, and he said, I'm going to beat Jessica in the first round of the tournament. You know, like he always does.
Danny Rebus doesn't scare me. I'm toast. Help!
So let's go.
That's one sound to S, sitting in a word. Yes, oh yes, that's one sound to S, sitting in a word. Yes, oh yes, seems kinda silly that this little sound is anywhere we look, see it's all around. Sometimes at the start and also in the middle, you'll even find it at the end of riddles. If you sit in a seat, then you definitely have found it. When you soak in the sun, then it's all around. If you ask me a question, you're just getting warm. That slippery S takes all sorts of forms. In a sandwich, on a snake, even under the stairs. Simply put, it is something that you see everywhere. That's one sound to S, sitting in a word. Yes, oh yes, that's one sound to S, sitting in a word. Yes!
S? Yes, as in start. Yeah, let's start this race. Oh dear, look out for the smoke. Thanks, Bob. Oh, drat. What? Spikes. Spikes? Now we have a flat. Yes, and we're losing speed. Fortunately, we have a spare. Spare tire? Brilliant. Thanks. Hey, we just won. Sweet.
Toss that sock in the sink. Toss that sock in the sink. Toss sock. Sink. Toss that sock in the sink. Toss that sock. Toss that sock in the sink. Toss sock. Sink. Let's snack on a sandwich at sunset. Snack on a sandwich at sunset. Snack. Sandwich. Sunset. Snack. Sandwich. Sunset. Snack. Sandwich. Sunset.
Yeah.
Hop on the seesaw with me so we can seesaw.
Sorry, I pass.
Why?
The seat is sticky.
I have an easy solution. Let's switch.
Okay, what have I got to lose? I just can't believe you chose to sit in that sticky seat. Seesaw! 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 Seesaw!
See?
Today on the Big Face Face-Off, it's Lisa versus Manny. In this duel, I'll use the sound.
And I will take the sound of S.
You will have to beat me at one of my own games. try this laser.
I will stop it with a sunflower.
You'll never tolerate my music.
I've been waiting to wear my earmuffs. Watch out for the quicksand!
Throw me a rope,
I didn't hear what you said.
please.
I don't have a rope, but I have this stinky sock.
I lose.
So what's happened so far?
Time for the chess tournament.
It's my move, hiccup! And now I'll reveal my thoughts so that everyone knows what I'm thinking.
Did you just reveal your private thoughts? I'll make a diagnosis. Tell you what's wrong. You're in trouble.
Hey, you guys! This remedy is great. It's gonna make your hiccups go away.
I love this remedy. No more hiccups. This remedy rocks.
Hiccup, this remedy is ridiculous.
Oh, no.
I need a diagnosis. Someone tell me what's wrong.
It's the Skelekian hiccups.
Oh no, hiccups from another planet.
And now for the remedy. Head to the garden and eat some special leaves. The diagnosis is in. We've got to help Jess.
She'll munch on some leaves.
And then win at chess. Yum.
Hiccup!
Hello?
Anyone here?
Hello, hello? Is there a doctor in the garden? I'm a doctor in the garden. Love these. They're good for your kidneys.
Breathe in deeply, okay? Now breathe out slowly, okay?
Where do you keep that thing in the freezer? Oh, I'm sorry, Doctor. I meant no disrespect. It's the hiccups.
Oh, believe me, I'm used to people revealing their private thoughts. Now, say ooh.
Ooh?
Yes, ooh. I know on your planet you say ah.
Yeah.
Do you know on the planet Flinka, they say ee?
Really?
Yes, and on the planet Ongeldorf, they say heckin' frickin' lala whoa 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 whoa!
Yeah, you're kooky. Oh, I'm sorry.
It's true, I am kooky. Love these. They're good for my nose. Now, say ooh.
Ooh.
I am ready to make my diagnosis.
Is it the Skelekian hiccups?
It is the Skelekian hiccups.
Can you help her, doctor?
Yes, I can give her a remedy to relieve her hiccups. Come with me. Here we are. Now, eat 2 leaves every day for a week, or else they'll come back.
Do they taste good?
No, they taste terrible. Now eat them. Eat them. Yeah.
Oh, they're awful.
Swallow them. You'll be relieved of the hiccups in exactly 2 hours. Here's a week's supply.
The tournament starts in an hour, and I have to play my first round with the hiccups.
Against Danny Rebus.
Danny Rebus, he's a patient of mine. He had the Skelekian hiccups last week.
Wait. Danny knew all along about the hiccups?
And he knows how long the remedy takes to work, of course. Wait a minute, check this out.
That's pretty cool.
Thanks, man. You see that he went to the tournament director and had it arranged to play you first.
Very sneaky. Now he'll beat me in the first round, and he'll brag about it for the rest of the year.
Thank you, doctor.
Don't mention it. Ah, the glitter tree. I love it. Good for my hair. 6 weeks ago, I was completely bald. Come.
My friend, you can recognize him, 'cause it looks like 2 mountains. I'm a mammal. I like to read many things, like maps and mail, and several magazines. I like to learn about places a million miles away. And in my mind, I can still hear my mother say, motivation and imagination make for a lovely time. And, my friend, and, my friend, the letter M.
Can you feel my energy? Right about now.
Come on!
We want the old school and the new school on the dance floor. This right here is called a slide. We about to do it.
Welcome to my city,
Two steps to the left, that's electric. Two steps to the right,
She's electric.
Two steps to the front, that's electric. Now slide. Come on. Steps to the back, electric. Hands up now, freeze. Freeze, freeze.
My electricity, yeah. My toe bone connected to my foot bone connected to my ankle bone connected to my leg bone connected to my feet. 1, 2, feel that beat. 3, 4, tweet, like a mockingbird. I repeat, tweet, it's okay to read now.
Dumbing it down, it ain't for me. I wanna know how many planets in the solar system. I wanna know how many teeth in your mouth. 32. Now what's 32 plus 9? 41 minutes before the party done. Learn your lessons, you don't wanna be dippy dum dum. Learn your lessons, you don't wanna be dippy dum dum. Two steps to the left, that's electric. Two steps to the right, that's electric. Two steps to the front, that's electric. Now slide. Steps to the back, electric. Hands up now, freeze. My electricity, yeah. Slide. Come on. Welcome to my city filled with electricity, where you can be anything you wanna be. Yeah. Welcome to my city filled with electricity, yeah, where you can be anything you wanna be. A doctor, a lawyer, a rapper, a singer.
That's what I got.
An astronaut, let's take it out of space. She wanna be an actress with a pretty face. Or you could be the president of the United States. Or you could be like Jerry Wonder and slap that bass. Two steps to the left, that's electric. Two steps to the right, that's electric. Two steps to the front, that's electric. Now slide. Come on. Steps to the back, electric. Hands up now, freeze. Freeze. Feel my electricity, yeah. Slide. Come on. Welcome to my city filled with electricity, yeah. You can be anything you wanna be, yeah. Welcome to my city filled with electricity. Hey, now slide. Two steps to the left, that's electric. Two steps to the right, that's electric. Two steps to the front, that's electric. Now slide. Steps to the back, electric. Hands up now, freeze. Freeze. Feel my electricity, yeah. Slide.
Okay, keep your head clear, okay?
You're gonna be great.
Yeah, you know what to do?
Yep.
Okay.
I hope this works. I have a good feeling about it.
All right, good luck, Jess.
Hello, Jessica.
Hello, Danny.
And now we begin the first match of the tournament.
And your last, Jessica.
Smile. Oh, sorry.
Each player will have a total of 1 hour on the chess clock to make all of his or her moves. Jessica, choose.
Oh, I was hoping for black.
Good to know.
Too bad. I was hoping for white.
Well, which is it?
You'll never know, will you?
Was one of those hiccups fake?
You think you know what I'm thinking, but you don't. Now do you? Yeah, I'm looking straight at you and I see right through you. You think that you're so smart. You picked a little trick up, but now I got you guessing which one's the real hiccup. So take a guess, you will find. While you guessing, you'll be stressing cause I'm messing with your mind. Now I'm gonna attack. Now I'm gonna fall back. One of them's the real one, the other is the fake one. You're gonna have to guess, so go ahead and take one. I'm going for your queen, is that what I mean? I'm coming with my knight, does that seem right? You're in a little tizzy, you feel a little dizzy. I'm trying to reach you, Danny, but your line's a little busy. You're gonna make the move, is that the way you wanna play? I think you may win, but not today. You feeling okay, cause you look correct. Oh, by the way, you're in check. Hey, you took my queen, oh, that was so mean. But you know what else? You took the bait. Checkmate.
Jessica, you will advance to the next round. Danny, I'm afraid you've been eliminated.
That was not fair at all.
Danny, after all you've done, she beat you fair and square. I love to win, especially against Danny. And for the record, that was a real hiccup.
I hate losing, especially to Jessica. Oh no! The Skelekian hiccups are back. I should have finished all my Ringendorfenzelia Marilis leaves.
Oh, that reminds me. It's time.
Have fun.
You know what I don't like? I don't like silent letters. I find them really annoying. Like when a B comes after an M. It's dumb, but what's the point? I mean, the B's just hanging around there for no reason. I say thumbs down to MB. And so, with a stomp, I will flip the MB to an MP. Now see? That P is doing something. Thumps. I can hear that P. Now we can make words like stamp and trample and bump. Now I'll take the words climb and crumb and comb and put them in the dump. Oh yeah, I'm pumped. I feel so much better.
Oh man, here's something my little cousin does when he's mad. Let's sound it out. Stow. Stow? Or is it sta? Let's keep going and see what happens. Next up is MP. Ps. So it's either stomps or stomps. I've never heard of stomps, but I've definitely heard of stomps, and that's what my cousin does when he's mad. He stomps his feet. Stomp, 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 stomp. Hello, Josephine. Are you raising money for your school?
Yes, Mr. Mump. Would you like to buy a stump?
I'd love to, but I don't really need a stump.
How about this champion?
I don't have room for a champion.
I'm stumped. Do you want to look in here and find something, Mr. Mump?
I'll take this blimp.
How about another blimp for Mrs. Mump?
Ooh. Amp. Lamp. Amp. Damp. Dump. Amp. Stamp. Stump. Now what do we do?
I don't know, I'm stumped.
I'm Special Agent Jack Bowser. I'm stuck here. Oh, what am I, a pepperoni? This whole pie is about to explode, and I can't crack the code to get out. Help me read this. They jumped from a bump to a lumpy stump. They jumped from a bump to a lumpy stump.
I mean, you did all right. You know what I'm saying? You did great.
Check out what Shock and I worked out while you guys were off the tournament. You ready?
Let's go.
You're all kooky. Oh man, I'm sorry.
She needs another lead.
Hey, you guys, go online to pbskidsgo.org and play tons of games to win points for your favorite member of the electric company. Only you can help us beat the pranksters. So, hurry up. The race is on.
Wyclef, go ahead, turn it on.
Company, that's what we are. We represent the life of the ghetto superstar. Catch me on Electric Company with my homies. This is Shockwave and I'm a refugee. Wordplay, we could do this all day. I like to give a big shout out to BK. When I say Big K, the wordplay is Brooklyn. If I say NJ, I'm talking about New Jersey. Rockin', shocking, going, showing. Watch this. Rockin', shocking, going, showing, schooling breeze. I love the tease. Knocking MC to his knees. Rougher, tougher, not a bluff for money. Making lady, taking educated, uninvaded, radiation, high inflation. Bells ringing, people singing on the mic. I'm always bringing fast rapping, feet stamping, hands clapping, jokes and sapping, sympathy, harmony, dignity, as you can see. Million, billion to a zillion. Got more rhymes on 2 quadrillion. People count on this amount. Superstar. Hold up. Let me take a breath. Ain't nothing left.
Wyclef, crazy.
Danny Rebus was outside, and he said, I am going to beat Lisa in the... Lisa? I am going to beat Lisa. She's right here.
I know you're not a doctor, Mr. Bamboo Snark. Bamboo Snickler or Snurklet? Snurklet.
Snurklet. You know what I don't like?